Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into some super useful tips to make your Windows 11 experience faster and smoother. If you're ready to speed up your computer, hit that like button and let's get started. Our first tip is to disable unnecessary startup programs. These are apps that automatically start when you boot up your PC, slowing it down. So right click in your taskbar and here you can see Task Manager. Click on it. And after that, here you will get Startup Apps options. Click on that, maximize it. So you will see a list of programs over here. And here you can see most of the apps are enabled. So most of the app not needed to start up. For that, click on that app and click on Disable. So click on that app and click on your right mouse button and click Disable. By this, you can disable that apps you don't need to run when you start up your computer. Next, let's uninstall apps you no longer need. This can free up resources and improve performance. For that, close it and go to the start icon and here you will find settings. If you don't able to find settings, come over the search option and search for settings like this. Click on settings. Then click on apps. And then here you will find install apps. Click on that. Browse through the list and uninstall apps you don't use by clicking on them and selecting install. By this, here you can see if we select this app called Media Player, we don't need it. For that, click on these three vertical line and now click on uninstall and uninstall. And by this, the uninstalling will be confirmed. Windows 11 looks great, but fancy visual can slow things down. Adjust the visual effect can help. For that, close it and come over this home screen. And now click on your keyboard Windows plus R. And by this, you will open the run program over here. And here you need to type sysdm.cpl. After that, click OK. And then here is your system properties opened. Come over to this advanced section and you will find performance over here. Click on the performance settings and here will you get performance options. So you need to click on adjust the best performance. And by this, you can customize which effects to keep. I will keep save taskbar thumbnail previews and enable pick or other apps should leave away. After completing your customization, just click apply and then keeping your system updated is crucial for performance improvements and security. For that, go to your settings once again, click on start and click on settings and here you'll find systems. Click on that. After coming in settings, just click on Windows Update and check for update. Also make sure your device drivers are up to date. So here you can see one update is requiring. If I click on retry, it will install or you can see it's downloading. Next it will be. And now last but not the least, let's talk about storage space. Using storage cells can help clear clutter. Go to settings once again, go for settings and then go for systems and storage. Scroll down a little bit and here you'll find storage. Click on that. So here you can see storage cells. It's turned on, but if your PC it's not turned on, then turn it on. And here you can see it's saying automatically free up space, delete temporary files and manage locally available cloud content. So it will automatically delete your unnecessary temporary files. And there you have it, 5 simple tips to speed up Windows 11 and make your computer run smoother. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.